Living in Green Cove Springs, Florida, comes with many perks, beautiful weather, lush scenery, and a relaxed lifestyle. But with the perks also comes the challenge of a hot and humid climate. The region's moisture-rich air can quickly take a toll on your home if it's not properly protected. One area that is often overlooked yet absolutely critical is your windows. Even the highest quality windows won't perform as they should if they're not installed correctly. For Green Cove Springs homeowners, proper window installation is key to maintaining comfort, efficiency, and long-term protection against humidity. Humidity. The hidden threat Green Cove Springs is no stranger to high humidity, especially during the summer months. While you may notice the stickiness in the air outside, you don't want that same problem creeping into your home. Improperly installed windows can make it easier for humidity to infiltrate, causing condensation, moisture buildup between panes or around frames that fogs up your windows. Mold and mildew growth. Excess moisture creates the perfect breeding ground for harmful spores. Damage to walls and frames. Wood frames and drywall can warp, rot, or weaken over time. When humidity goes unchecked, small leaks around windows can turn into costly repairs. Energy efficiency and cooling costs. Florida homeowners already spend more on cooling than many other parts of the country. If your windows are not installed properly, you could be paying even more than you should. Air leaks. Poor seals allow cool, conditioned air to escape and hot, humid air to sneak inside. Higher AC usage. When your cooling system works harder, energy bills climb quickly. Inconsistent comfort. Rooms may feel drafty or unevenly cooled, leaving you uncomfortable. Proper installation ensures your energy-efficient windows perform as designed, lowering utility bills and keeping your home consistently comfortable. Protecting against water damage. With Florida's frequent rains, improperly sealed windows are a recipe for trouble. Water intrusion can cause damage not only to your windows but also to your home's structure. Leaks around frames. Small gaps can allow rainwater to seep in, leading to stains and deterioration. Structural risks. Prolonged exposure to moisture weakens walls and compromises your home's integrity. Costly repairs. What starts as a minor issue can quickly escalate into thousands of dollars in damage. Professional installation ensures that windows are tightly sealed and water-resistant, protecting your home against long-term harm. Health and indoor air quality. Humidity and water intrusion don't just damage your home, they can affect your family's health. Mold and mildew caused by poor window installation release spores into the air that can trigger allergies, asthma, and other respiratory issues. By ensuring your windows are installed correctly, you reduce the risk of these problems and maintain a healthier living environment for your family. The importance of professional installation. While DIY projects can be rewarding, window installation in a humid climate like Green Cove Springs is best left to professionals. Precise measurements. Professionals ensure a perfect fit that minimizes gaps. Proper sealing techniques. Specialized materials and methods prevent leaks and drafts. Code compliance. Local experts know Florida building requirements and install windows to meet or exceed them. Longevity. Correct installation helps your windows last longer, protecting your investment. The expertise of a professional installer guarantees that your windows will withstand Florida's unique climate challenges. Final thoughts. In Green Cove Springs' humid climate, proper window installation isn't just about aesthetics. It's about protection, comfort, and long-term savings. Poorly installed windows invite humidity, raise energy bills, and risk costly water damage, while professional installation ensures your home stays cool, dry, and efficient year-round. If your windows are old, drafty, or improperly installed, now is the time to act. With the right energy-efficient windows and expert installation, you can shield your home from Florida's humidity and enjoy lasting peace of mind.